Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures.
Mukbang.
Not sponsored.
Oh, wait, technical difficulties, but I'm still here chewing.
Mom of the Year award goes to.
Okay. This is a shrimp. Let's see. Good. Very, 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 very good. Ah! Putos.
Go.
Ah! Oh, the mukbang, my stepdad when I eat my mama. Bite her, morde. Ooh, ooh. Puta.
Okay, no.
That when I eat my mama. You know, in Spanish there's a saying that says, camarón que se duerme, se lo lleva el corriente. Guess what? Se lo llevó mi boca.
Special guest star grandma.
Ooh, grandma.
También mi boca se lo va a llevar.
Yes, mom, here we go. Ready? You gotta chew loud. Loud and clear. Ready, mom?
That's too big.
Chicken.
The bigger the better, mom. That's what she said.
Oh.
Chew, mom. Chew, recio, chew.
Guest star grandma.
Ooh, grandma.
También mi boca se lo va a llevar.
Yes, mom, here we go. Ready? You gotta chew loud. Loud and clear. Ready, mom?
That's too big.
Chicken.
The bigger the better, mom. That's what she said.
Oh.
Chew, mom. Chew, recio chewing. Do it for the camera.
Hello.
My mom don't give a shit. Thank you all for watching me eat. It's the strangest thing I've ever heard of. People wanting to see other people eat. But watch me anyway. Subscribe so I can continue to eat. Otherwise, I don't get fed if I don't make these videos. Please subscribe before I lose weight. And get all, sick. End up in the hospital.